we have from Barangay Tabtabagan to sing Amazed.
To sing Amazed, let us all welcome Melvin Cacacting.
It's almost more than I can tell. Baby, when you touch me, I can feel how much you love me, and it just blows me away. I've never been this close to anyone or anything. I can hear your thoughts, I can see your dreams. I don't know what to do, what to do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side. Forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. The smell of your skin, the taste of your kiss, the way you whisper the dark. Your hair around me, baby, you surround me. Let show you place in my heart. Oh, it feels like our first time. Every time I wanna spend the whole night in your arms. I don't know how you do what you do. I'm so in love with you. It just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, I'm so in love with you. Just keeps getting better. I wanna spend the rest of my life with you by my side, forever and ever. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you. Every little thing that you do, baby, I'm amazed by you.
Thank you so much, Melvin Cacacting of Barangay Tabtabagan. Next up, ladies and gentlemen,